So as you can see, the stock exhaust is pretty bulky. It's actually pretty heavy as well. It's not very attractive. It's okay. It's designed well to work with turbo applications, but we're looking for a little bit more. So from behind, you'll notice I'm probably not gonna run the plastic back over the back of this core. I wanna show off the exhaust. So it should add a lot in the looks, but hopefully it's gonna do more for the performance. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. It's pretty simple. We're just gonna loosen up all the bolts, and we're gonna unbolt it on the flange, and we're gonna bolt on the new one. Another reason we're taking it off is if you look inside, everything's MIG welded, and the actual muffler is going to start rusting, or if you get mud and you let it sit in there, it's gonna discolor and change. It's just kind of common. It is what it is. And one of the major upgrades you can make on any side-by-side is the exhaust system and the air intake. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. That's it. The install went as an exhaust install would normally go. The springs are always, you know, they could be a nuisance taking them on and off. So as far as the skill level goes, putting on this exhaust system, it's basically like a 3 to a 4. Pretty simple hand tools, no big deal. Looks good. I have not turned it on yet. I'm gonna get to that here in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the cover off because I think it looks really good on the back. Overall, turned out pretty good. I'm pretty jazzed on it. Again, it went on pretty easy. This is the agency power 2016 to current 2020 turbo models or Turbo S. Non-turbo, this will not work. Remember that, guys. Non-turbo doesn't work. Looks pretty cool. We can fire it up right now if you want. It's got a like a thump tone to it over the stock, which is just like super quiet, almost too quiet. So now everyone's gonna hear it. It's not obnoxiously loud. It's got a nice little thump to it, so good deal. I will want to share with you something that we did, or I did during this install, and we'll put it up on the next one. But while I had the exhaust off, I went ahead and changed one more thing out, and I'll show you that right now, and that'll be on the next one. Okay, so I had the exhaust off, and it was a good time to go ahead and install a new rear motor mount. So we're gonna get to this on the next episode, or the next YouTube, but this is the factory motor mount, and I upgraded it. It's hard to see right now in there, but you can kind of see it, to the agency power billet mount. And it looks just like this. So it's all billet. You can see the beefiness to it. It's got a better bushing, a nice stainless sleeve in there. Really nice piece. So while the exhaust was out, that was the time to do it, and I went ahead and did it. We still got to replace the other two, and we'll get to that on the next one. But if you guys are redoing your exhaust and you plan on deleting this factory one, this factory mount, it's a good time when the exhaust is off because you're gonna need to get in there, see what you're doing. So on the next episode, we'll go through that. All right, everyone. Well, again, it turned out amazing. Super happy with the sound on it. It says you're supposed to get 6 to 8 horsepower. I already said that, but it looks a lot better. It doesn't look clumsy and lame. So, but you guys keep tuning in to the UTV Source channel here on YouTube. Continue to follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to the email list. And if you guys have any questions, please please hit us up on the website. It's all the way down at the bottom of the homepage. There's a contact us now. There's also the affiliate program. I encourage you all to get in on that. That's a big deal. We'll actually pay you. That's the deal. So just read up on that. Get in on it. It's a good deal to be on. Hopefully we'll get this out in the dirt soon. A couple more changes to do and then a wrap, and she's done. We're gonna go beat her up. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.